Hey kids, good morning. It feels good to welcome you all lovely kids once again. I am Nancy D'Souza and today I'll be teaching you about three numbers. In that we will be learning over and under concept. So kids, let's understand the meaning of over, O-V-E-R, over and under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Over means things or objects that are kept on top position, and under means things or objects that are kept on lower position or bottom position. My right hand is over my head and my left hand is under my chin. Right hand is over my head and left hand is under my chin. Now, to understand the concept more better, let's look upon these images.
The bird is sitting under the tree and the bird is flying over the tree. Here the bird is flying over the car and a ball is lying under the car. Boy is jumping over the hurdle. The boy is going under the hurdle. The ball is under the table. The ball is over the box. The helicopter is going over the roof and the boy is sitting under the tree.
I hope you all understood the concept well. Let's move on to a worksheet.
The worksheet says, read and tick the correct option. You have to just check out the images and tick mark the correct option in the given boxes. The first image is of an aeroplane and a van. The option says the van is over the plane, and the second option is the van is under the plane. So which one would be the correct option? The van is under the plane. So likewise, you also have to read and look over the images and tick mark the correct option. The second image is of a bird and a cow. And the third image is of a rat and a table.
Kids, do revise the concept at home and complete the given worksheet. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you.